Hi Pink Angels and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you what is in my new bag. I got this bag in my recent haul and I wanted to show you guys what I've been keeping inside because I have been using this as my everyday bag and I think it's so cute and pretty, and I really wanted to show you guys what I keep inside. So if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. It really does help me out and I really do appreciate it. So my name is Amy and I post lots of pink fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos, always involving lots and lots of pink, and I really do welcome you to my Pink Angel family. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. If you also want to keep up with my pink life, I post a lot on Instagram. It's at Aloha Amy _. I really appreciate if you follow me on there because I'm always updating every day, so please do give me a little follow. This is my new bag. It's a little mini backpack from Guess. I went to the Guess designer outlet shop and I absolutely was so impressed with their handbags. They had a huge selection, loads of different colours, but there was definitely a lot of pink. So I spent a long time in the Guess shop looking through their clothes and their bags and decided on this bag here. I don't actually own a little mini backpack or backpack of any type. This little bag was a little bit different for me, so that is why I decided to go for it. They also had this in white and another colour, it might have been black or red, I'm not 100% sure because I was honestly just focusing on the pink bags, but they had really cute ones and I will definitely keep my eye out and maybe get some more in the future because they're really well priced as well. I love the fact that this has got silver hardware, so it's baby pink quilted at the front, and I just think that a quilted bag is so classic looking. Obviously it's quite little, like here it is in comparison to my head. It's just a little bit bigger than my head. I do have quite a small head though. It's got this really cute little chain at the top, the two backpack straps which you can adjust, a little clasp here which is just like a magnet popper, and then the Guess detailing right here, and then inside this is what it looks like. So there's poppers at the side here so you can make the bag wider if you need to fit more in there, and I took this on holiday recently and it kept everything that I needed every day, and it's obviously a small bag, smaller than my Ted Baker bag, but it's really practical and I fit everything that I need in here. I just decided that I wanted to switch up my everyday bag because I wanted to give my Ted Baker bag a little bit of a rest. As much as I love it, I just thought it needed a bit of a break because I don't want it getting worn or anything, and I do use it every single day. So I just think it's really good to have a bag that matches everything that you own and is just easy to grab and go, and you don't need to think about packing up your bag. So that is why I switched over to this bag. So in this bag there's like the main section here, and then there's a little zip pocket at the back, and then there is a couple of little pockets at the front. So I will start off with what is in the pockets at the front. So in one of them I have my lip products. So I have today's lip products that I'm wearing. I have the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fussy. I'm obsessed with this lip gloss. It's absolutely amazing. It tastes really good. It's just the perfect shade for me. It's so moisturizing and glossy and it just looks perfect. You can wear this with lip liner, with lipstick, or completely on its own, and it just looks so stunning, and I feel like it goes with lots of different looks. Like it's kind of pinky tinted, it's just beautiful, perfect for me. I just love it. And then on top of that I mixed in a little bit of my new Too Faced All the Stars lip gloss. Oh, this is such a beautiful lip gloss as well. It tastes kind of like vanilla, and it's just so sparkly and pretty, and mixed in with another lip gloss or on top of a lipstick, this just has such a beautiful sparkle. So I've got them in my bag. That's it for that little pocket. Then the next one I have my ID holder. So this is from Accessorize. I've shown this in quite a few of my what's in my bag videos because it's really handy and you can keep whatever you need to flash your ID cards. So I have my gym card and my new university ID card. Recently just started a new university, so I have a new card and I have these both so that I can just scan them to get in the doors of university and the gym and things like that. It's just easy to grab and keep everything in the one place. Then in the next little pocket I have a few things. So firstly I have a little mirror. This is from Kat Kidston and it's really cute. It's just a little pink mirror. It's just super tiny, but it's really good for just, you know, checking your lipstick or making sure that your concealer hasn't smudged or anything like that. Just really good for keeping in your bag, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. I have some chewing gum. This is the extra white chewing gum, and yeah, I quite like it. I also have a little tin of sweeties. These ones are from Disney and they have Minnie Mouse on them. They're really cute and they're pink. They look like Smarties, but it's weird because they're not. I expect them to be chocolate every time, but then they're fruity. I always have some sort of sugar in my bag. So that's it for these pockets at the front. Now I will go on to what is in the main section. So first off, in the side here I have my glasses. I have two pairs of glasses here. I have my normal glasses so that I can see. I need my glasses to read and, you know, see things like my phone or my laptop. So I have these. These are from Carolina Herrera and they're purple and they're quite pretty. So I have them in there. And then also I have my sunglasses in a little pink case. I absolutely adore these sunglasses. I got them at the beginning of the summer and I'm so glad that I did, because I searched for ages to find the right sunglasses, because like I mentioned before, I do have quite a small head and it's difficult to find sunglasses that don't look massive on me. So these ones I found from Boo Avenue, and firstly they're baby pink. I mean, hello, so cute. So they're baby pink and gold cat eye sunglasses. They're just so pretty, and most of the Boo Avenue sunglasses seem to be made quite small, so they fit me because I have a small head. So this is what they look like. I've kept these in my handbag all summer. They look really, really cute on, and then when they're not on, I really like to hold my hair back with them. I just think these are so pretty, and annoyingly I have scratched this side, so this is why I shouldn't buy designer sunglasses. I did consider buying Tiffany cat eye sunglasses, but I'm very glad that I didn't, because I totally scratched these, but I can still see out of them. But yeah, these are so good, and I keep them in my bag because often I'll need them when I'm driving or just out and about, things like that. Even when it's chillier, like in winter time, I still feel like you need sunglasses because you just never know. So these are so cute. I'm so glad that I found these. And they have them in black as well, but obviously I only wear baby pink. I was going to buy the black ones because I thought they would match things as well, but to be honest, I've not had any need for them because the pink ones have been amazing. Okay, so next up in my bag I have a bag for life. I always make sure to carry one of these in my handbag, and I also keep one in my car. I think it's so important to remember these. I know that they're really difficult and annoying to remember, but if you keep one at the bottom of your bag, then you're always sorted. So these have been a lifesaver for me. So this one is from the Lifeboat shop, and it looks like a little pink turtle. It's really, really cute, and it's so handy just for any type of shopping. You know, you're out at like the shopping mall to buy clothes, whatever, makeup, or if you're in the supermarket, no matter where you are, you always have a bag. So I have one here, one in my car. The one in my car is shaped like a blue starfish, so those ones are really, really cute. Next I have some hand sanitizer. I also keep hand sanitizer in my car, but this one is a little one that looks like a unicorn, and I don't know what scent this is, but it's just one of these little ones with like a little holder, and I think you can like clip it to your bag if you wanted. But yeah, it's quite little, so I just throw this in my bag, and I'm always using hand sanitizer. I'm a bit of a germ freak, so I always like to have one of those. And next up, the last thing that is in the main section of my bag is my purse. So my purse is the same as it was before. It's my Ted Baker purse. I love it. It's so pretty, and because it's pink, it still matches this bag. And I will go through here and show you guys what's inside. Believe it or not, I have got more loyalty cards since the last video. So, you know, I like to shop. It's not a shocking fact. We all know this. So I have quite a few store cards. So on this side here, we have got a Monsoon Accessorize card, Superdrug card, one of my favourites, which is my V Swarovski card. I really recommend, if you like Swarovski jewellery, then you should get one of these loyalty cards, because I've gotten quite a good few free things from them. Obviously not free because you need to spend money, but they do sometimes just send you an email saying you get a free pair of earrings because you're such a good customer, so I really recommend doing that. And then I also have a Boo Avenue VIP card. I really like this one as well. It's pink, and I think you get perks at your birthday, but I didn't this year because I forgot to put my birthday in online, so that was my fault. I have a couple of Waterstones cards, and honestly I don't know if these actually work, but I have a gift card as well for there. I have a Body Shop Love Your Body card. This gives you £5 off every now and again when you spend a certain amount or something like that. I'm not exactly sure. You also get £5 at your birthday, and if you provide I think 3 empty Body Shop packages, then you can take it back and you get a £5 voucher as well for recycling. And this card recently got switched to like a cardboard kind of one, so we're saving the planet with that. I have another well-loved loyalty card. This is the Debenhams Beauty Club reward card, and this one I really recommend you get as well if you like buying high-end makeup in Debenhams. It's a really good one to have because quite often, as I mentioned before, Debenhams do deals of like 15-20% off makeup, and I will go in and buy whatever I'm looking for, and you get points for this, and then every 500 points you get a £5 voucher, so it's really helped out. And if you're into makeup like I am, then I really recommend it because it seems worth it and the points do build up quite quickly. Whereas like with my Superdrug card, I swear I spend money in there all the time and I barely ever get any points with it. So then on the other side here I have an NUS student card. I have a Sephora Insider card, which I love, and I get my birthday perks with that. I have my driving license and then a bank card. And then in the back section here, like this part here, I've got another load of cards. So we have got my most recent one, that is the guest list loyalty card. This is my loyalty card for the Guest store, which is amazing because like I said, I'm definitely going to be going back in there because they do really cute things. I love my bag and I am going to definitely get more things, so I have one of them. I have a Tim Hortons card, and one side is for hot coffees, one side is for iced coffees, and you get a little stamp, so I'm working through that. I like that it's a little maple leaf stamp. I think that's really cute. I have a Holland & Barrett card. I don't really shop there very often, but I sometimes get like some vitamins and things like that. I have a perfume shop card. I have, oh, I think I can probably get rid of that. That's for my old university for the coffee shop there. I'm quite sad about that. The coffee shop was really good. I then also have my Donkey Sanctuary card. So I have adopted a donkey and her name is Ruby. This is what she looks like. She's so cute. And I absolutely love donkeys. They're my favourite animals, so I adopted one and I love to just go online and see what she's up to. I get sent a letter from her every single month telling me all about the other donkeys in the sanctuary. It's so cute. It makes me cry sometimes when the donkeys are mistreated, but it's okay because the sanctuary are saving them. But it's still emotional when I get that letter, but I love donkeys and I'm so glad that I have adopted Ruby. And then the final two cards, these are probably like my most loved cards. I have my Costa Club card and my Starbucks reward card. So the Costa one is one that you build up points on, and I do get free coffees quite often with this one. And then the Starbucks card, I put money on this, and then it means that I just hand over this one card. I don't need to worry about like getting money out or anything. I just get that and I get points as well. And I also got access to pumpkin spice lattes a week before everyone else did, so it's good to be a reward card member. And I do have an obsession with coffee. It's an addiction, so I may as well get points out of it, get some free coffee out of it. So in this little section here I have a couple of receipts. One is from Waterstones and Well, the other one is again from Waterstones, and then I have a gift card for Victoria's Secret. This was a very kind gift from my cousins for graduating, and I haven't spent it yet, but it's such a pretty card. I know what I want to buy with this, and I'm waiting for it to come into stock. So such a pretty gift card. The black part is actually sparkly. It's so nice. So I'm really excited to spend that when what I want comes back into stock. And then in the middle zip section here, it should have some money. There's some coins and there's £5, and that is about it. I don't ever really have much change, to be honest. I normally just pay everything by my card. So yeah, that is everything that is in my purse. Oh wait, no, it's not actually. There's a little section in the back. It just has some receipts in it. I don't even know what those are for. But yeah, that is everything in my purse. So that's everything in that main section, and now I'll just show you what's in the little zip compartment in the back. I have a mini Bare Minerals face brush, and that is for my powder. I always have a little powder with me, and this one is from MUA. It's good sturdy packaging, because I feel like the packaging for Rimmel Stay Matte is just really flimsy and always breaks, so it's much better to have a more sturdy powder in my bag. I have some medicine just in case I need it. I always carry paracetamol and some Piriton in case of any allergies, and then I also carry cams with me as well. And then I have some cute little tissues which have cupcakes on them, and the actual tissues themselves have cupcakes on, which is really cute. And then inside here, inside this little pack of tissues, I also have some plasters tucked in there as well. And finally, I have a little facial mist. This is from a brand called Hans Dottir, and it's just a little mineral mist. It's from Iceland and it smells like mint. It smells really good. And I just have that to freshen up if I need to, like, refresh my makeup or just kind of liven myself up a bit. I like to have a little mist in my bag. So that is everything that I keep in my handbag. Obviously this is such a cute little bag, and I normally just carry it like this with one strap like this, but it is really good to have two straps as well, just if I am walking a little bit further or my back gets sore or whatever. It's just really handy and it's so cute. And obviously this is a lot smaller than my Ted Baker bag, so I have had to kind of cut down on the things that I carry around. But everything I have in here is pretty essential, I would say, and if there's anything else that I might need, I have a little kit in my car, which if you guys would be interested in seeing a video about what I keep in my car, then do let me know in the comments, because I'd be happy to show you. And I just feel like if there's anything I really need, then I will be like in my car anyway. So if I need anything, I can just run back to my car if it's that essential. But most of the things that I really need are in this handbag, and it's so cute. It's not as heavy as the last one, but I just love this and I'm really happy that I found it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I loved showing you guys what's in my bag. I always do, and I love watching these kind of videos, so that is why I post them quite often. So if you do enjoy this, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It honestly means so much to me and I really do appreciate it. I'm so close to 500 subscribers, which makes me so happy, and I'm just so grateful and thankful for you guys. You're all so amazing and beautiful, and thank you so much for watching this video, and welcome to my channel if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!